built a home and watched it burn. I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, see things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, I can love me better, baby. Can love me better, I can love me better. Paint my nails cherry red, match the roses that you laid. No remorse, no regret, I forgive every word you say. Ooh, I didn't wanna leave, babe, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, I can hold my own head, yeah, I can love me better than
Do you like your little snowman?
Proud.
Are you proud of that?
Proud owner. Oh, there's his face or something.
Can I kick it? Can actually. What the?
Are you ready? I'm focused. Go.
Oh, the bus is coming. Right, quick, the bus is coming. Oh my god, right, the bus. Right, the bus is here, the bus. We're going to go to the Lagoon on Tuesday, which is our last day. That's going to be really good. So yeah, boom. Definitely recommend that. I thought that was Percy Pig. Hold on. Let's turn it out. I'm what can you say? Unless you thought that was Percy Pig.
Percy Pig or Voice?
We've just got back to our room. This is our little tour. This is what it looks like. With all the hat on. There we go. There's Ellie. So we've got the twin beds are actually really comfy, aren't they comfy?
Yeah, they are. Really comfy.
Excuse, I've got my little crampons on, so it's a bit noisy. We get a little view outside onto the main street. The bus station's just behind. We don't actually have a toilet in here, which we didn't realise. But luckily Ellie's going to show us where that is. Aren't you, Ellie?
Yeah.
There you go. It's literally just right here, just across the corridor. Oh, got the corridor lights.
I thought that was a bathroom light.
We won't show you in the toilet more, just in case someone's done us to head. And then we've got a shower. There you go. And then we've got the toilet. And then it's literally just our room right here. Nice top, Kelly. There we go. Thanks for the room tour.